Now let's see how to create a short video adding a script. Add your script here. Hi, hello. Welcome you all to this video tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about gardening ideas. As we all know, gardening improves the quality of our life and gives quick relaxation. There are many types of gardening, indoor and outdoor. Indoor gardening is simple and easy way of restoring beauty of nature at your home. Thank you. So we can keep on adding our scripts according to our preference. Now click on generate project. So this is how the video editing panel helps us. This is our first line, this is our second line, third, fourth. So we have 7 lines in total. Now click on generate. Can change the style, the color, anything here. So they themselves provide us with a variety of scenes. We can select here the standard version is already selected. We can choose the texture version. We can select the font. Now we can choose the color patterns. We can add music to our video. Folk type music is there. Cinematic music is there. Classical is there. Okay, add. Now we can also provide a voiceover here. This is an advanced feature where we need to record our voice and we can add it with this video. Here, this option, upload your voiceover. You can select the audio file from here. Just click it. So now let us see the preview. May take some time to get uploaded. Now let us watch this video that we created.